Ready? Hi guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. We're doing a walkthrough video on this new boat we just got in. It's a 2025 Sea Ray SPX 230 inboard. We got this one in the black, some white accenting. We did the powder coated sports tower on it. This one comes on the dual axle painted trailer. It's a really good setup. Awesome, awesome boat to have a good time on the lake. Swing around to the backside here. You'll notice we have a nice big open swim platform here. This will kick down. The motor's trimmed all the way down. That'll kick down into your swim step. You got a nice telescoping ladder here to enter. Coming on up inside. You'll notice again, this back platform area is awesome to hang out at. You got a kick-up seat here. This will kick into a little aft-facing lounger. Come down on the inside, you'll see you got side storage on the flush side walk-through. Battery compartments in there as well. Easy access to your battery switch. Another built-in cooler slash just miscellaneous storage here. Coming on into the boat, you'll notice it's a nice, spacious area for a 23-foot boat. Great spot to hang out, seating everywhere. You got storage underneath all your seats on either side. Dual bucket captain chairs here with bolsters on both. It's got a nice sound system in it as well, Fusion sound system. You got the sub there down in the bottom. Awesome sound stage. Swinging around to the helm here, you will notice you got a nice digital throttle over on your side. Some switching for some miscellaneous stuff like your bilge blower or your bilge pump. Anchor, nav lights, all easy accessible. You have your Fusion stereo head here, and then you got a nice big touchscreen sim rad that'll show your mapping, gauge clusters, everything you need to see there. Moving on over to the passenger side, again, nice comfortable seat. This one even has a built-in porta potty head, or is a good spot to keep miscellaneous items, some of your larger stuff too, if you don't use it as a bathroom. Moving on up to the front, you got nice spacious deep seating up here, feels really secure. You got storage underneath all your seats and some more storage here in the center floor storage. And then moving up here, you got your anchor slot. It's always good to have. Those are always kind of hard to find a good spot for one of the seats, so it's good that it's dedicated storage. If you guys like this boat, we'd love to see you here. Again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Thanks for watching.